on Monday 16th with geography paper 1 and paper 2. Now during this briefing, candidates are going to be taken through the rules and regulations on the conduct of the Uganda Certificate of Education examination. So results of those candidates who will have been proved to have been involved in any form of malpractice, whether this malpractice was solicited by themselves or was given by the teachers or any other person.
Amashomera gutayire harumuri abasajja baraba secondary school erukushango muri Shakabushenyi municipality amwe na Ruhinda secondary school erukushango muri Mitooma town council muri Mitooma district. Abembezi b'amashomero abitwagambaho nabo abarumuzamura n'akaranzi wabasajja baraba secondary school hamwe no wishomero iri Ruhinda secondary school bashobora ngo abana tibashemeire kwerarikirira kona abo kuba bashomesa babo babatebekaniseje ngukande babaheire nibyo bari kuza kureta
shomesa tungishomero bakoze umurimo gwabo twatebekanisa abeegi nibeje kukoraje inshallah taala ituchitu tukozere okutwetshemye kuchukura ntubashabira konka ombwiro obu omuri n'umukore bigezo ekikuru n'okureba ngo mwayifaho mwafa amagara ganyu n'aba amagara marungi
abana abayicamani twabana tugezaho kubagararamo amani kubatamwa amasiko ubwino bw'injye abana kubakoza kushika hiyi neza oshanga bera kinire bagira ubwoba n'ubabire batine konga izo ngabashomesa twabereka ngo tukozere umurimo w'itu abashomesa bona nibagira ngo ibirkwitagwa byo nababahire syllabus bagiheza mbwenu twandi bagararamo amasiko twagira hona na ngwana na mukuru wabo barabe n'abakumu bizamwe ibyo nawe yije yabagararamo amasiko kandi yayongera no kubagambara ibirkwitegwa ibirkwitagwa kugira ngo babashikire umbigezo kandi batateganisa ngo bashanga umwana atine ibyo kukozesa umuringo nuko gumwe Kacece urumukuru w'ebwegese umwishomereri y'abasajja baraba secondary school yashababeji okwetantarira kimwe kutebiteekateko byabo abigeze bikuraba hamitimbagano y'amasimu ngwebi nibiza kuba habisa
kubona confidence bakakora paper zawe omukindi kitwagambaho no kubereka yunebe ibintu byo kwetaga tena no kuba encouraginga ibintu bakureba social media is papers zo kutambureza yunebe ukakuzira fake batazirilayinga ho munonga ari kuba kishomero shomise ikimwe bakine syllabus twagiheza yoge so bashomebe byenyine yunebe tekusetinga heru ibito asomesa
abeegi abatari bamwe na bamwe abitwagambaho nabo batamza kubetebekaniseje gukora ibibuzo ebikuza kutandika izuba riro kubanza.
Our teachers who have managed to teach us all the syllabus, and we are expecting the settings they set for us, and we'll be very fine. Yeah.
And still now we are still revising, waiting for the final exams. These 4 years, maybe I can say 5 years have not been easy because now I've spent 5 years in Singapore, but finally I'm going to make it to the end.
Amakuraga gashakwa Olivia na Sasra aba Sky TV Agenshong.